Such projects include like Project Waypoint 2050, Plan Fly Net Zero 2050. The aviation industry is looking for the carbon dioxide emissions reduction of 1.8 gigatons in 2050. One of potential scenario is that 65% of the total target CO2 reduction by using sustainable aviation fuels. Another 13% is expected to be the new propulsion technology improvements like liquid hydrogen technology introduction. The improvement in powertrain efficiency may result in another 3%. The rest could be gained by carbon capture and storage and other emerging solutions. The actual percentage distribution and target achievement will depend on which solutions are most cost effective at any given time. There are also options to focus on airports greening. These meet the latest sustainability criteria, reduce impacts of airport activities on the environment and the impact of climate change on related facilities and operations. The Green Airport Initiative should not only focus on the reduction of emissions produced as a result of airport operations, but also on the other environmental and even social issues. Airport greening have potential to contribute to transition to neutral air transport from the point of view of greenhouse gas production by 2025. The theme of green airports deal with the innovative concepts and solutions for airports with the aim of rapidly reducing greenhouse gas emissions from air transport and improving their resilience against climate change. Type of fuel change is also a valuable tool for emissions reduction. Airbus has the ambition to develop and build the world's first commercial aircraft powered by hydrogen fuel. Airbus Project Zero is investigating various configurations and hydrogen technologies that are potentially contributing to greenhouse gas emissions reduction in the aviation industry. As part of this project, the possibility of converting classic turbines engines to engines that burn liquid hydrogen will be investigated as well. Another option is electric motors. Electric motors are more efficient than internal combustion engines and require much less maintenance as the high heat and friction of combustion chambers and pistons are replaced by the coiled wires and magnets. The efficiency of electric motors might reach as much as 90%. This means that almost all of the power is converted into useful work, whereas for large turbine engines it is around 55%, and for all the turboprop engine this efficiency is around 30%. Conclusion: it is difficult to plan life without aviation. However, aviation must be able to undergo changes that will reduce its environmental impacts without considerable change of its functioning. International organizations are already focusing on changed working conditions, whether it is the fuel itself or changed conditions at airports. However, new developments in this are based on the new knowledge, not fully researched and not fully possible in the current density of traffic. The results of research in the field of aviation and climate change are both positive and negative. On the positive side, there are potential substitutes for fossil fuels. The negative aspect is that many projects are still under development only and their commissioning will not be simple. There are still many legal and operation problems associated. More promising results were achieved in the field of advanced aircraft configurations. Currently, there are aircraft concepts under development which could reduce fuel consumption and thus also the production of greenhouse gas emissions due to their construction. Based on the conducted research, a solution was proposed to reduce the production of greenhouse gases at airports. Specifically, it involves pulling aircraft along taxiways from individual stands to takeoff and landing runways. However, there are many operational problems which limits benefits of such proposals significantly. While the threat of significant climate change seems very far away, the opposite is true. The current weather scenario in overall world reminds us that it is very urgent to find effective solutions, and aviation must contribute in improving the situation too. Thank you so much.